Hi, my name is Sergey. I'm a guitar teacher. How are you?
I'm okay. My name is Tanya.
Nice to meet you. Have a seat, please. This is the guitar. The instrument, the top guitar. So it consists of fingerboard, body, head with the tuning keys and the strings. The first of them is the thinnest and the lowest. This is the first string. And this one is the sixth. To take the proper classical guitarist position, please place your left foot over the foot stand. Like this. Yes. Let's turn the chair a little bit. Stand up a little. Yeah, very good. This is the correct classical guitarist position. Please get comfortable. Now let's figure out how to play. First, place your right thumb over the thick string, which is the thickest and the highest. And the index, middle, and the index finger place on the first string, like this. Now press it in the direction to the guitar body and produce the sound, sliding it to the next second string, like this. Yes. Repeat it for 10 times, approximately. Play a little bit higher from G. Try to relax the hand after each stroke. Расслабляй руку после каждого щипка. Excellent. Now do the same with the middle finger. Rest on the next string. Опирайся на соседнюю струну. This is the main approach of the classical guitar. It's called apoyando from a Spanish word that could be translated as resting. Rest. Because you're resting with the finger on the next string. But normally we're alternating the fingers playing the music. Обычно мы чередуем. Пальцы исполняем музыку. So play, changing them one by one. So when one finger touch the next string, когда один из пальцев касается следующей струны, the next one is lifting. Следующий поднимается. Yes, very good. Excellent. So this is how to play, how to produce the sound. Now let's take a look to the book. Now let's take a look at the book. Here we are gonna deal with the notation. Notation, this is the sign language of the music. Это язык музыки. By the notation we can show how high or how low, or how long or how short are the musical sounds. So the notes are the part of the musical language, or the language of the notation, we can say. And the other part is the state. State, also known as a staff. This is 5 parallel lines. On it, we can place the note. So the notes could be placed on the lines which have the names, such as the first one we call E, the second one we call G, the third one is B, the fourth is D, and the fifth one is F. And the spaces. Spaces also have names. Spaces also have names, which are F, A, C, and E, like phrase. So when we put notes on the stuff, they get names. Like English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, and the last one is G. So now let's take a look on the duration of the notes. Duration of the note, this is the length of them, and the longest one is semibreathe, also known as a whole note. Semibreathe lasts for 4 beats. Beats, the beat is the unit of measuring the timeline of the music. So we can measure the time of the music using these units that called beats. So the longest note is semibreathe, that looks like this, the empty oval. The next duration is the mini stem. So let's try to play by the semibreathe. Let's produce with sound on 1 and wait until you will reach the 5th beat. Let's try. Play the first string, please. The approach already you learned. It's possible to reduce. 1, that was 1. Now 2, 3, 4, and now stop it. So you just got the semibreathe note. And if you want to play in the mini, play it again. 2, and on the third beat you can stop it as continue with the next note. 3, 4, for example, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very good, amazing. Now let's try the crochet. Crochet, also known as a quarter note. It lasts only for 1 beat. Just play on 1, on 2, on every beat. 4, and start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's try to play. First example in music, which is lost. For reading notes, we need following things. We need to know what is the time signature, какой размер, and we need to know what duration we have. Duration. Did you memorize? Ты запомнил? What duration is this? This is crochet. Remember? Quarter, четвертная нота. So you need to play 4 times, because here in the time signature we have 4. Up here 4, and down here also 4. That means that the unit of the counting is the crochet, quarter note. That's why it's 4. So just play 4 times here, starting from here, and the note as is shown here, is E. E note is placed between the 4th and 5th lines, and on the guitar this is just the first open string. So try to play and continue the same way. Продолжай просто. No. Continue the music that is shown here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here you can see the other note. Yes, very good. This is the B, which is on the 2nd string. The last note is a mini, which lasts for 2 beats. That's why there is no 4, just 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And we'll jump a little to take a look on the left hand. How to use the left hand? To use the left hand, you need to place your left palm first perpendicularly to the fretboard, like this. Then prepare your 3rd finger. The ring finger is the 3rd one. We call fingers of the left hand by numbers. Here you have fretboard, and spaces divided by the metal bars we call frets. So this is the first fret, this is the second, etc. So place your third finger on the third string, third fret, over here. Yes, very good. And now try to press it, maintaining the perpendicular angle of the last phalange of the finger to the fretboard space. Like that. Держи его perpendicular. Excellent. Now let's check this out. Let's check it out. Excellent. Amazing sound. It's perfect. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.